Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you curious about how to make your very own Shopify app? Whether you're looking to add a custom feature to your store or explore what's possible with Shopify development, today I'll walk you step by step through the entire process of creating a Shopify app from scratch, right from your Shopify admin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your own app framework, ready for whatever you want to build. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Shopify admin page. This is your store's control center where you manage everything: products, customers, orders, and yes, even apps. Go ahead and get to your admin dashboard, just like you normally would when checking up on your store's performance or adding new products. I find it helpful to open this up in a fresh browser tab so you can follow the steps as we go. Once you're in the admin, look along the left-hand menu. You'll see an option called Apps. This is where all your installed apps live and the gateway to extending what your store can do. Click Apps and then look for App and Sales Channel Settings. You might notice it feels like you're going one step deeper, and that's exactly right, because this is where you get to manage not just existing apps, but the apps you'll create yourself. Now, at the very top of this page, there's a tab called Develop Apps. Shopify puts all the developer tools here, away from your regular store management, so you can experiment and create new integrations safely. Click Develop Apps. Don't worry if the section looks a little more technical than others. Shopify actually makes this whole process pretty straightforward, even if you haven't coded before. Here, you'll land on the developer dashboard. This area is designed for building and testing new apps before you publish them store-wide or share them with other merchants. At this point, look for the Build App button. It might be tempting to click around and explore, but for now, let's stay focused and hit Build App. This will bring up the actual creation tool. Now comes the fun part. Click Create App. You're about to make your very own app shell. You'll be prompted to give your new app a name. Take a moment here. You can just type something simple if you're testing things out, or get creative and choose a name that matches the app's purpose if you already have a feature in mind. Don't stress. This name helps you identify the app later, and you can change it if you need. Once you've typed in your name, click Create. And that's it for the setup. You've just made the foundation for your Shopify app. At this point, your app is now listed in your developer dashboard, ready for you to start building features, connecting APIs, or personalizing your store in ways standard apps can't. You should feel proud. Even if you're just experimenting today, this puts you in control of your store's potential. If anything seemed a little confusing, don't worry. The developer workflow can seem intimidating at first, but once you've made your first app, it gets easier every time. And remember, the app you've created is just the beginning. You can customize it, add functions, or use it as a playground to learn more about Shopify's platform. Thanks so much for watching. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more detailed tutorials on building Shopify apps. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on guides just like this one. Good luck building your app, and I'll see you in the next video.